Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, here a little early, about 8 minutes early or so, much or 8 minutes earlier than normal. Did not get the morning watch list video out because wife's not feeling the best. So, streaming from like a little office at my apartment complex. Also, hey, give a little hold up. What this? Good morning. But yeah, let's see. Good morning, Skittles. Yeah, let's get these charts going. And good morning. Let's see, Simon. Good morning. Let's get these charts going. Oh yeah, some adjustments need to be made. I still feel like, um, yeah. Let me clear these charts up first. Focus on getting some stuff charted before we actually open. Chase, good morning. Good morning. Clear out those EMAs. Oh, all this is Tesla. Okay, let's go to like a 4 hour. I mean, we can still look at Tesla on one of them. Yo, low-key, it looks like there's a small little gap that never got filled on Tesla right here. Let's mark that in right there. Got a little gap fill on Tesla right there, so we'll be on the lookout for that. So that's gonna be a resistance to look out for. We'll call, wait, what's this, a 4 hour? We'll call that support. All right, we just got support and resistance charted on Tesla. We got our first low here. We're already below that, so we're kind of chilling with Tesla. All right, next stock. Should I close my Tesla 480? Call it open. It comes down to you. I don't know when it expires next week. That comes down to you. Personally, see profit, take profit. I would take it. You might get another shot at a reload, maybe a shot at another entry, but that comes down to you. Early bird gets the money, 100%. Well, actually, well, sometimes birds do be scooping up money, so I guess you could say that. Let's see what we got going here. All right, next chart. Let's pull up Palantir. All right, so one thing on Palantir, let's go to a 4 hour first. All right, so on a 4 hour chart, Palantir I'm still not convinced it's in an uptrend yet. So right here, this is at this, I guess 69.54 kind of level. Yeah, like 64, 65, or just 69, 64, 65, or 55, something like that. That's going to be Palantir's kind of a liquidity sweep level. So if Palantir comes up there, potential reversal to the upside, I might go for something small, but also if it decides to go above that, I don't see any supply zones till like 80, or at least not on the 4 hour. Then on the 1 hour, I don't see anything till 75. So kind of watch that on a lower time frame. Watch Palantir. Kind of got wrecked on my Tesla and Palantir so far this week. Everything else has kind of made up for it though. Slater, oh, no problem, man. Mass 3DRC, good morning. D Community, good morning, good morning. All right, what's the last stock we're looking at? Let's see what's going on. Let's here, let's actually quickly kind of go over the stuff I normally go over in the morning. All right, so this morning we got core retail sales. All right, so they came in They came in lower than expected, so that's kind of good for the market. Unemployment claims, that's kind of high, so that's we came in above expectations, so that's going to be kind of negative for the markets. They're not going to like that. All right, so that could be something that pulls us down. We also got Philly Fed manufacturing, import prices. Yeah, we got business none. This other stuff isn't going to really have that big of an impact. Let's see what we got tomorrow. Nothing crazy. We get building permits in the pre-market. I think we have TSMC earnings today. Let's see. Or, wait, I think it's TSM. I think that's the ticker. TSM. Chart's looking bold. Hopefully we end green. Yeah, we're either going to rock it up or we're about to get slapped down. I still have this urge that we're coming down. What was it? Not the unemployment claims, but unemployment claims came in kind of high. That's kind of negative. Everything else is good, but that's kind of negative. Okay, TSM. They missed on their EPS, but beat on their revenue barely. So that's nothing like notable. Okay. Still need one more. Let's see how we're looking on the Dixie. Kind of still chilling. Let's see. What do you think about Walmart? Walmart's appears to be consolidating in a range. Right now, the range is what I see. It looks like they're in a. So it looks like right now they're kind of ranging between. I would say kind of like this 93 level and this 89 level. But right now in this little zone, it looks like they might be in a demand zone. Not fully sure. From this 91.25 to 90.60, but it's closer to support. So if I had to do something on it, I would be buying, looking to kind of ride kind of closer to 93. But beyond that, I don't really have much to say about Walmart. All right, let's go to. All right, so market's open now. See how we want to move. Think resistance. Oh, I didn't put resistance going to be up here at like 95 on the SPY. And support is going to be down here. I think it was around like right in here. Let's see. There we are. And AD, good morning. Angie B, good morning. All right, so Tesla is going, it's testing support right now. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute so I don't just so I don't get kind of worked today. I personally am of the belief that we're coming back down here. Actually, I want to go up to. Okay, so one thing that I noticed today, there was a gap fill kind of like up here on Palantir, and it also looks like we filled a fair value gap to the upside in the pre-market today on SPY. And then it also just happened to be at the edge of a demand zone. So I'm really interested to see what happens here. Good morning, everyone. Let's make some money and have a great day. Yoko's Larry, good morning. All right, Tesla selling off. Yeah, we need something else over. Let's look at him. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. Let's look at NVIDIA over here. Oh, that's the one I should have charted. All right, so NVIDIA looks like its market structure is trying to change. Nvidia might be a pickup at this 136. I kind of like closed out a position to the upside on Nvidia, but I might be willing to get back in it again, kind of where it is. Let's see. Let me get down to a lower time frame. Change my levels. So we got a gap about there. Then the heights. Hold up, something just went off. Okay, Palantir. All right, I might go 50-50 on Palantir. That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at weeklies, stuff that expires tomorrow. I'm gonna let them do what they do. More than likely, one of them will outpace the other. So, all right. So, grabbing the 67.5 put that expires tomorrow. Oh dang, it's looking like that's liquidity. And y'all, I'm kind of stuck in that till tomorrow, but I'm up 10% on it as of right now. We'll see if this ends up being liquidity though. If it ends up going up, it ends up going up. All right, I'm also gonna grab a call now on Palantir just in case, because that was my original plan. So I'm gonna grab a $71 call for 47, and that's kind of my trade for the day. So I'm about to share that with the family real quick. So let's see. Pick that up. Pick that up. And we came in below our below budget, and the only way we lose on this is if Nvidia doesn't really, not Nvidia, is if Palantir doesn't move outside this range. All right, I'm personally hoping everything moves to the downside. All right, so Discord. Let's see. Everyone just picked up a $71 call and what was that? What was it, like $68? Oh, 67.5. Pay less than 0.5 for each one. Expecting one side to outpace the other. There we go. All right, let's see. All right, what we got here? T. Arlington, good morning. Lucky J, good morning. You know we gotta throw one of these emotes in here. Throw that guy in there. All right, Inspired, good morning. I like that name. Wow. Do you think Nvidia will keep going up? I think it very well could. But as of right now, I want to see how it kind of reacts in this range. Let's see. Hey, hit that like button one time. 100. Hey, yo, hit that like button. Why not? It's there. Tap it just below the video. Scroll down. Look at that thumbs up icon. Change the color. Smash the like button. All right. Henry, good day. Hello. All right. Divine, good morning. Kings and queens. All right. So SPY, we're still just chilling this range. I see you got the fresh cut. Oh, appreciate you. I kind of just, hey, I cut my hair. Like, yeah, I cut my hair. So I'm always, hey, the cut may be fresh, but it's not as fresh as it could be. Definitely be better if I like had a barber, if my brother or something lived closer and could do it. Brother B, good morning. Uh, Took the hat off. Yeah, sometimes I got the hat on, sometimes I don't. Kind of like mix it up. You know, there might be a point later in the day I have the hat on. It is what it is. All right, so Palantir is looking like liquidity. I really hope it sells off because I still have that contract from this morning. Nvidia is coming to close this gap. We'll see. Here, let's see. Frank, good morning. I kind of want to DCA into a higher strike price for IonQ. Low key, I'm still like I'm long on IonQ, but I did take some profit this morning. I took profit on a lot of like QUBT stuff like that. Like I'm still like feeling inside. Oh yeah, I took profit on QUBT like 13 something. It's at like 11 something. I had like $400 profit because it's like I was looking at the charts. I'm like, yo, I see like a few like there was probably like $800 worth of profit I was able to take just between different shares and stuff. I was like, yeah, let me take some profit. I'm gonna like move that into my I'm gonna move that $800 into my Roth too, cause I'm trying to like take care of that money I didn't deposit last year yet. All right, okay. Palantir called 72. Hey, let's get a bird's eye view of Palantir. Let's see. Let's take a look. I mean, to the upside, next level of interest, there's 70.30. Then about like 72.50. Then we got like 73. Let's say 73.50. So yeah, we'll see. Let's go back to a 15. See how it ends up turning out. Let's see. Good morning. I missed a trade you just made. So I bought a call and a put on Palantir. The put, they both expire tomorrow. So the call was a 67. Oh no, the put was a 67.5 put. I paid 47 for it. And the call was a $71 call and I paid 47 for it. Okay. So I paid 47 for both of them actually. Cool. Henry, good morning. Let's see. I want the ride up. I want the ride down because it's like I took some profits on some stuff. I would like to get in lower. It's like I feel like we came very close to filling in that gap, but I don't think we filled it in. And like some other things kind of lead me to believe that like if you look at the Dixie, we're still up. Like we rose like really hard, but we're still up. And I think there will be something to kind of level that out. My kind of thesis on the day is like we got the good inflation, or we got the good like let's look at it again. We got the good like retail sales data, but the unemployment claims that went up a good amount. Or we were off by that, so I would not be surprised if we sold kind of hard. Yeah, I'm actually about to come in and look at Derive, just kind of see kind of the thesis for most of the trades. All right, let me check and see if I got any like alert emails or anything. Let me just check those out. Okay, I got one on target swing, medium. Yeah, it's a one alert for a target put. Okay, let's see. Yeah. As of right now, it looks okay. We're kind of just chilling here. Tesla's selling off. So Tesla broke support. I don't know if y'all get my morning watch list or the like support and resistance levels. Yeah, we broke support like pretty much early on. On the 15 minute, we wouldn't take entry yet, but on the 5, we would have taken entry at about like right here once we got this candle. But going back to the 15, Tesla is still got some like trend lines to come to. So like I'm not convinced that Tesla is like fully coming down unless it like fully comes down. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Good morning, Mr. Free as always. Hey, I feel you, brother B, 100%. My life be like, morning, Matthew. What's up? Hey, what's up, millionaires? Yeah. Hey, we're gonna have to level up to billionaire here pretty soon. You know, within inflation and whatnot. The Victory Mash, Grand Rising. Good morning, fam. Yup. New York Texan here. Are you in New York or are you in Texas? I'm assuming you're in Texas because you said New York Texan, but I'm not sure. Or maybe the NY stands for New You. I don't know. Hey, morning, Brandon. Derive AI. Still gotta pay attention to news and TA. No, 100%. Okay, Texas. Christy, good morning. Good morning. Okay, got you. That's kind of what I gathered from your name, but you know, sometimes it's better to ask than to assume. So I see we got the VIX on a slight rise from where it opened. The PCE creeping up a little bit on the day. And we also have the Dixie creeping up on the day. All these are kind of bearish signs. Don't think we have any like major data coming for the rest of the day, but it's like, yo, watching, is that Whirlpool? Palantir Tech is hurting. Hey, yeah, let's bring it on down. Let's go. I want the market to come down so I can get some better positions to ride up. Wait, okay. Do you recommend Moomoo as a broker? Yeah. Yeah, Moomoo is, hold up. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but let's just say I use Moomoo. I like Moomoo. I think it's one of the better platforms. I think it depends on what you're trying to use it for. Like I think, honestly, I think it's good for like everything. Only thing I haven't really done on it is maybe trade some spreads. There may be like a few adjustments I wish I could make to their charts. And then also one thing that annoys me right now is they don't have the ability to do daily recurring investments. That's something I'm waiting on. But beyond that, it's like, here, let's see. Can you give a quick definition quick example of a liquidity sweep? Okay, so, all right, so you see this right here? Typically when you see liquidity being swept, you will see like a long wick like this. All right. This is typically like in the moment, like if we go to the 5-minute chart, let's see what that looked like. So it looked like just super bullish. We came up here, there was still even like some liquidity like at the top right there. But liquidity, the sweep is kind of like it'll come up and then it'll go past it and then come back down. It'll happen really fast. Like I guess the fast part is kind of the sweeping motion. So it's like, what do I say? I've had this targeted as liquidity because if you go to a higher time frame on the 4 hour, you can see there is liquidity over here. And now on this same chart, this is, you have liquidity here. So ideally, from this movement right here, seeing, oh, hey, there's liquidity here, you would expect this trade, or my target for this trade would be, okay, so maybe we took our entry here. Of course, you could end up making a complete new low, but the target would either be probably right here at 67.54. Next would be, what's this, 66, let's say 67, 66.56. You just kind of go level to level, but you want to look at like kind of the last the end of the range before you made that liquidity. So the end of the range was kind of around 67. So that would ideally be the target for that. And then anything further, that's just a bonus. All right, so we're coming down on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is closing a gap, but it's also kind of up there. Tesla's falling. All right. Aspire. I feel good. La 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 la. Okay. What is oh, are you singing the song? Like, I feel good. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know. I can't get approved for level 2. I don't know. I've heard that like I've been getting a lot of comments and stuff that Robinhood is becoming increasingly more difficult. I don't know what platform you're talking about, but Robinhood specifically has been becoming a lot more difficult to get approved for options trading in general. So I don't know. Did you run your 5K this morning? I don't think it was 5K this morning. I think it was like just under 3 miles. Let me see. It was a 25-minute like recovery run. Let me see. Where we at? Did they post? What's the day? Oh, I ran 2.96 miles. Let me let me clear that off. And yo, if any of y'all are on Strava, hey, feel free to add me. Let me I'm gonna just drop that in the link right there. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, if any of y'all are on Strava, go ahead, add me up. All right, I need just the opposite of what you need to happen. Hey, Divine. Hey, I'm cool. I'm cool. If you're winning, I'm cool with it. I'm winning in other ways, but it's like if you win, I'm cool with that as well. It's like as long as one of us wins, hey, that's cool. Worst case scenario, we stay right here at the same price, nothing happens, and it's a hell. And actually, even if it goes up, I'm still winning. I'm just not winning on the options. I have more I have more to benefit from going up than coming down. But short term, I think I have more to the downside. Take a look at NVIDIA. I mean, yeah, I'm looking at NVIDIA. It's really kind of watching it between this range. One thing, like we do have a gap fill right here, so it's like taking a kind of bird's eye once again. It kind of looks like it's in an uptrend, but we did fill that gap, so we kind of, it always confuses me when we do this. So I need some time to really, really know what's going on with NVIDIA now. We did break the trend to the upside, that's good. But yeah, now we kind of got to wait and be patient. I would say above this 140 level, that's like extra bullish. Maybe try to play the break, but beyond that, let's go back to a 15. All right, let's see. Dang, everything's selling off. Hey, yesterday everything was pumping, so it's like kind of got to balance things out. Okay, I get it. Google definition. Hmm. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. You know, when sometimes you look at the actual definition, then other times you got to go over to Urban Dictionary. I mean, you probably still wouldn't get a good definition on Urban Dictionary for a liquidity sweep, if I'm being honest. Maybe Investopedia, that might have been, that still might be confusing, but hey. Any calls I should buy to make a quick money? I can't say anything about that. It's like I show you support and resistance levels. Usually there will be some sort of quick pop, quick opportunity at support and resistance, but that's gonna be on you to really kind of get in and get out on that. All right, so taking a look at like you kind of have this support level for Nvidia down here at 136. Oh look, we quickly bought up to almost 138. So it's like, yo, you see the support and resistance levels here. Next level of support on Tesla is probably going to be like 413, then 410. So you might see small pops there, maybe not as large. My Apple puts are at 80% up. Should I? Hey, 80%. There are like those are large gains. It's like if I could, especially if it was a swing, yeah, I'd see that open. I personally take it. It's like especially if you don't have multiple contracts and you don't have a real target for it. Yeah. You said, is that like your Discord community? No, that Strava is like that's like for running and like that's like a fitness kind of thing. So that's like super niche right there. Uh, Already 50. Let's go. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'll take 50 in the first, what's it, 32 minutes. Y'all showing up today. I see y'all. I see y'all. Let's go. Um, any tips on how to get approved for level 2 options on Moomoo? Ideally, when it comes to, I think I'm approved for level 2. I just haven't tried to do any level 2 things on Moomoo. Ideally, when it comes down to it, it's going to be, hold on. I see this Amazon person. I'm just like, just curious if I gotta like deliver that's supposed to be like right here. I feel like that's probably it, honestly. Oh no, that's not it. But what was I saying? Oh, but honestly, it's usually just displaying. What's the word? Display. It's not necessarily display knowledge, but like just display that that you know the information. It's a little weird that they won't let you. It's a little weird that they won't let you. Oh no, don't try. That better not be my package. That's all I know. They're about to not deliver that package. Better not be my stuff in that package. Okay, but I'm sorry. Yeah, this is what happens when I'm at the office downstairs. But let's see. Hey, let me tell you about a bad beat I took by holding a penny stock overnight. SLXN did a share offering after market close and made sure people couldn't sell and drop. Dang. Like, that's a good thing you go in small on those though. Yeah, never go in on anything with money that you can't afford to lose. All right. Kai, good morning. The reversal trades could be more profitable than these first moves of the day. I'm not sure why. I think it may have something to do with the IV. I haven't completely figured it out though. Reverse. I mean, it kind of depends. Sometimes you're able to take reversals in the morning, but yeah, when it comes to the IV, it's like not necessarily IV, but when it comes to kind of the pricing, it's like if you take stuff right at open, it still has some of the pricing from yesterday, and it's like after things kind of settle and you see a little bit more direction, certain contracts will lose the value. So maybe you could attribute that to IV, but when money comes quick, it goes quick. If no, yeah, 100%. Matthew Manuel starting a marathon for cancer research. Oh, that sounds like a really big feat. I feel like if I did something like that, okay, Nvidia looks or not Nvidia, Palantir looks like it's ready to break out. Hey, let it go, let it go. Was it divine that needed Palantir to go up? Hey, let's have it happen. Let's have it happen. But yeah, it's like I might be down to like run the marathon to raise money, but I don't think I'm at the point of hosting one yet. And then it's like if I host a marathon, I want the whole family to be there. All 114 of y'all to be there. And I'm gonna be sad if no one shows up. So it's like, we gotta see what's up. Really like your swing plays. Sold my QUBT. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I did the same thing today. It's like I'll get back in on QUBT, but it's like as of right now, I still see stuff like lower. Like when it comes to shares, I'm like, okay, yeah, I can do this in a rock. I'm cool with that. Like I can swing shares. I will make a lot of money like that. I don't have to worry about like the profits and that. Okay, let's see. How's the 200 to 28K challenge going? Hey, that's gone. I don't even know when that happened. That's a long time ago. It's like new people come to the channel, see stuff, and no, yeah, that's gone. That didn't last too long. That's all I can say to that. That didn't last too long. Yeah, Apple went ahead and hit that 239 target. Oh, I forgot about Apple. Hold up. Yeah, I saw it hit it overnight, and then like today. Oh shoot! Oh fruit! Yes, Apple. Hold up. Thank you, Darren. I forgot I even had Apple. Let me see how that's doing. That's probably yes. Hold up. Where is Apple? What strike? We got the 235. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's up 86%. Hey, sometimes we be forgetting. Hold up. Hey. Let's go. Yeah. Pull up Apple. What do I see on this? Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we're close to a demand zone. Let's cut that out. Let's tell the we'll take that. Hey, we will take that. So alert the family. All right. Yeah. Appreciate you, Darren. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hey, sometimes I be forgetting about certain contracts. Wow. Let me alert the Discord. Stream can be kind of distracting sometimes. At everyone just took profit on and it's crazy because I looked at that this morning. I was like, oh, it's kind of holding below the level the way I need it to. I take a screenshot. Cool. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll take it. All right, so the SPY, okay, SPY broke support. All right. So yeah, SPY looks good for downside now. All right, I'm gonna pull Nvidia back up over here. I'm done with Apple. Hey, see the profit, take the profit. Oh, Darren, I see you just made a reaction. Hey, I may have missed that without you. I may have missed that without you, big time. All right, let's see. Moo, good morning. I took a call when it hit your support. Did you, yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't always work out that way. But on the 15-minute chart, there is demand here. So if I were like doing some really quick trading stuff, you might get a retracement up to like this area right here. Let's leave that there and see how that goes. This is a 15-minute chart, so. But honestly, after this point, I would be kind of a lot more hesitant staying in. It's like it could continue to go higher, but beyond that, yo, I'm out of there if I'm doing day trades. All right, let's see. Did you start trading with just 100? If you're talking about like first trades I ever took, I think it was like $600, something like that on Apple. Can you check out Uber, please? Yeah, we can take a look at Uber. Swap out Oh yeah, we got good bullishness on Uber. Right now, I would still need some. Still need stuff to be confirmed. It's like I like the idea of this point right here as an area for liquidity to be swept, and then have another quick move to the upside. But beyond that, I don't know. As of right now, there's also a gap to be filled down to, I guess, 67.39. But as of right now, it's like only thing you can really do is ride the trend. Looks like there is some short-term resistance at this 67.87 level. All right, Palantir showing strength though. But yeah, as of right now, it's like you can either ride the trend with Uber, which potentially is showing resistance here. Like I would want to see how this candle closes. But there's a lot of resistance kind of at this level right here. All right, let's see. Got an A. Have a good day, Brandon. David, did you figure the market was going to downtrend today? Because based on reading candlestick, if so, I need your recommendation on best training. Best training is actually going to be practicing. So the best thing you could do, or I'm gonna say TradingView. It's a free software to an extent. Like a lot of the stuff you do in TradingView is you can do the majority of stuff you need to do in TradingView for free. All right, Philip, just checking in. Hey, we're to that area. All right, but a lot of stuff that you do in TradingView is free. That's going to be the best tool when it comes to getting the knowledge and information. Hey, YouTube is where I learned everything. Palantir might get affected by IWM not moving. So it would be the other way around. If anything, Palantir will move however it wants. The Palantir or IWM will move because of Palantir. The IWM is not going to not move, or Palantir is not going to move just because Palantir is staying in one spot though. But I mean, if Palantir is going to stay in the range, it could. Yeah, let's take a look at IWM. But like, yeah, if you look at their 15-minute chart, you have IWM down on the day. You got Palantir up. So they have their, they don't have to move like perfectly with each other. Here, let's see. These are your Apple puts. That's what. Oh, I didn't even. Hey, 80, I didn't even know. I didn't even know. I was just like, so much of the family makes profit, and I'm like, yo, that's good for you. I wish I took that trade, but it's like I didn't. Angie B, we missed Netflix this morning. Oh, what happened with Netflix? Let's see. Oh shoot! Oh wait, hold up. Did I think they did sweep my level some days ago? Hold up. No, they did not. No, they swept my other level. I had like a hold up. Let's go to a weekly. I don't know. There was something. There was like something at this level right here. I don't think that was a sweep. Hold up. Let's check something out. Oh yeah. Yeah, they came right to that fib. I think they'll come back down again. Yeah, we missed it on the day, but Netflix is it's not anything I day trade anymore. It's like something I have to catch like weekly moves for. So yeah, I would like to see Netflix. It might like kind of come back up a little bit, play around. But like big term, like I catch Netflix back at this 763 level and everything else is looking right. Hey, I'm in there. I'm in there. Assuming my attention is there. I do have an alert at this level though, so I'll kind of see the community. So I got 2 shares of Ion Q for 38. What you think according? So Ion Q, I actually sold. Well, I had like 5 shares. I sold like 4 of them or 5 of them this morning. Um, so I kind of sold around I guess the $40 area. Uh, big. I can see them coming back to 18, 17. But short term, I think I did see like if we go to the daily, there is a daily gap up here to 49. We really gotta see which way they want to go. It's like me personally, like below 230, I might consider adding more for me. But here, it's like there's plenty of upside. There just may be other opportunities to add lower as well. So good morning, fam. Think we'll get a bounce. So that's like from here or from like lower areas we could. I think we need to come down more before Trump. I wouldn't just say, oh, we're just gonna stay here and be here before the Trump thing because we very well could stay up here and then Trump get in office, us blast higher or us sell off. But I personally am of the belief that we need to come down first. But hey, we will see. Thank you for what you do. What do you think? So Tesla broke the support this morning. It kind of fell to no, it didn't fully. It's like I don't know. Tesla is at that like 415 level of support. Next is like 430 or we'll say 413, then 410. Tesla's in a downtrend right now. That's all I can say. 430 was a larger level. I'm not sure. Tesla's in a downtrend and in an uptrend, kind of depending on what time frame you look at it. I have mixed emotions about Tesla. I think if I catch Tesla around 270, which I think it should happen within the next few months at some point, that is when I am going in on Tesla. But as of right now, I'm just chilling for now. Like, I have no idea about Tesla short term. Rigetti fell almost to 10, then a quick jump to 11.4. Oh yeah, Rigetti, hold up. Oh wait, that's not one I actually had. It's one I watched. So Rigetti will move like kind of similarly to QUBT, but I don't know. That's so I kind of like look at it like that. How do I get in your Discord? And do you day trade or I do both. I would say more swing trading than day trading. But Discord, here, let me drop the link. So this is the Discord link. When you get in, make sure to like do the little verification, like do the green check reaction thing, and you'll see. Let's see. Yeah, of course. Of course we can check SoFi. Let's see. Where's SoFi? Yeah, SoFi showing out. So we broke a trend line. We've been trending down since December 17th. Right now it's kind of looking good. One thing I will point out, we are in a 4-hour supply. So this candle, 4-hour candle, this could end up being liquidity, and we could end up pulling back here. But if it's not, hey, we might have something, because we got our first low here, our first high here. So we could make another high here, and this would be like perfect area to sell off. So I'm hesitant here, but it's like we could see. We'll see. It's like yeah, I would say next kind of larger level above what is hit, it's gonna be like 1650. But like long term, there's still like some areas to the downside, or SoFi needs to pull to too, which kind of something that scares me. Well, not scares me, but it's like I feel like it needs to pull back. All right, look at Palantir doing exactly what I don't want it to do. If MRA can break out over 117, we're going to get paid. In at 102. Okay, Tesla is coming back to test some areas, so maybe we get a retest at this 409 level. And if we keep going, next like kind of trend line level is this 406. I would love to see it come back to where I did not get my opportunity. Well, no, this was where I didn't get my opportunity. All this was like after hours. That was very annoying to me. But yeah, I would love to see Tesla pull back. So SoFi had some good news this morning. Let's see what their news was. SoFi Technologies reports 525 million securitization deal with PGIM fixed income. That's nice. It's good stuff. Black and Wild, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we're kind of cooling. All right, so I'm starting to notice, like, I feel like I'm starting to see an increasing amount of red over here on the right. Oh, well, no, hold up. That's just, well, no, yeah, I would say, okay, so I'm seeing increasing red over here, but now the Dixie's going a little red. The VIX is a little red, but the PCE is going up. I'm gonna need that PCE to stay down for now. Everybody loads up on the puts. It's gonna hold the market up. All right, so Philip, I don't know if you like closed out that call, but I did want to show you from kind of where you told me. We kind of pulled back to this area, then we came back down, and now we should be kind of continuing that move. So I think it's like there was like a slight opportunity. I'm gonna clear that out because that's played out, but oh shoot, there's Brennan. Hey, y'all smash the like button. Yeah, 100%. AMD long. I have an AMD long. I'm very long on AMD. When it comes to short term, I don't like AMD is not really something that I like short term. Like if you're trying to get me to trade AMD, I find it to be difficult. Right now, I kind of see like a level of like a resistance trend line. There might be some kind of channel we can draw, but as of right now, we have a trend line for resistance. Like right here. I would say it's not as clear cut for support. But yeah, we got something like that. Take a look. Oh, Apple went even higher. Hey, it's cool. It's cool. Hey, it did what it needed to do. All right, let's see. Okay, brother B, Skittles, y'all saying ouch. Where's this pain coming from? Took an AMD 131 call for 220. I think it has potential. I have like an AMD 135 for it's March something, I believe. Might be the 28th. March 21st. I am down a good amount on it. I might consider grabbing a second one and averaging down. Might. Not yet though. Google is in an uptrend. That's good. If I want to get in SoFi, what strike price will be best? That's going to depend on a lot of different things. First off, that kind of depends on your budget. That depends on where you think it's going to go. It depends on how much time you get for the contract. It's going to come down to looking at your delta, your theta. It's like there is honestly, I could not tell you what's going to be the best. It's like I take options contracts. I don't always get the best one. Like I think the other day, I grabbed a short on the SPY. I grabbed a more safe contract, but it's like because I was valuing safety, I didn't get the most profits I could. And it's like I think Tatiana made a trade. I made a trade. It was a similar trade. I just got an extra day of time. I think she made, I want to say about 50%. I think I made about 15%. If I want to get in for SoFi, oh wait, hold up. Okay, Palantir have heavy lows at 730. Who are you telling, man? Yeah, they keep, they're holding it down. Let's go to 1 hour on Palantir. Hey, these candles are still, they're still moving up. They're still moving up. We'll see how the hour closes out though. Where's the pain? I feel that, Brian. Feel that, brother B. I'm not sure if you've done this already, but can you use derived suggestion on an option? Is there a specific one you're looking at? It's like I just have a hard time looking at derived while we're on the stream because it's like I feel like the comments keep coming in pretty heavy. But here, let's look at derived. Hold up, real quick. let's see. Let's go to the screener, see if we got anything good here. Let me drag it over. Not too much going on right now, so shouldn't be too hard. All right, so I'm not a fan of Microsoft. Okay, so they did send this alert out earlier. So actually, I wanted to look at it. So Target, they got a Target short. It says swing, so it's looking at it. Bearish move next day and a half. Let's look at Target. And the price was at 134.53 when they made the optimization. Oh, dang. That kind of already played. The price when they made the optimization was up here. So I would say I'm a little late on that one. All right, let's see what it says about Microsoft. I don't really like I don't know. So this is a position trade, so this could be over 15 days. So I'm gonna let you know this is one I personally don't feel like taking, but we can still look at the charts. So this was, all right, so both of their suggestions today, they've kind of been out there for a while. Like we need them to put out some more suggestions. But looking at it, it was made at, well, actually we might still be able to get in. Here, let's look at Microsoft. So here, where is that at? So Microsoft, conservative bullish move. Okay. All right, so looks like entry opportunities gotten back or has gotten better, because when they made the call, it was about, where is it? About in here. This is a little lower, but kind of looking at Microsoft. Here, let me zoom out and see what I see. It did have more of a position trade, kind of, okay. I don't know, it's not, here, let's go to a monthly. Yeah, it's like, it's been like consolidating so much that, okay, so we got a range. Let's go to a 4 hour. Honestly, this, I don't know. I don't even, like, this wouldn't be a trade I took, because just the way Microsoft moves, it's like it has good movement, just is one that I don't really chart that well. Do you follow PayPal or Block? So yeah, I have about 30 shares of, actually in one account I have about 30 shares of PayPal. I have more PayPal shares in other places, but yeah, I follow PayPal. PayPal is one that I DCA into every day. Very bullish on long term. When a trade option hits its target, does it sell by itself, or does you manually have to sell it? Like, it doesn't even have to hit the target. You can sell it. Like, if you're up on the contracts, it's like you can sell it whenever you want. But yeah, most of the time it's not going to execute itself, and if it does get executed for you, you probably missed out on some money that you could have had. Dang, Apple is still going. All right. Thanks for, hey, no problem. Yesterday they had like 10 or 11, but yeah, there's not as much going today on Derive. So if you see another one, hey, let me know. I'll check it out. Did a SPY put 270 and was out. Nice. Good stuff. Yeah, it looks like we're making our way down, but some things would lead me to think, oh yeah, we're gonna slow down here, and yeah, progress is slowing down for now. Like the Dixie is coming back down a little bit. So we'll kind of just have to see. Hey, Palantir's trying. It's trying. Well, this is on a 1 hour, so if we go back to a 15 minute, I might be a completely different story. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We got 2 minutes left on this 15 minute chart. Let's go. Come on, Palantir. Let's do something. Let's do something. Hey, Palantir looks like it might want it. It might want it. Let's make something happen. I would like to see Palantir run up to 80 again. I'm just talking wild, but hey, if Palantir wants to, I'm not against it. Spy trying to get held down. All right, let's see if there's anything. Oh, hey, Palantir looking good. We got a minute and a half. Come on, let's go. XRP. So XRP, it's kind of running now. So if you're in it, hey, it's great. I am not anymore. Like I took some profits and it has not come back down. So now it's like, now I wait. It's like I could see it. So it's like now I could put a limit order in for this. It'll probably come back to 260, but otherwise, up here it's probably going to come back down because this is like its all-time high. So it might push a little bit past that, but it's probably going to like come back down before that. So if I were trying to reload, I would reload here. It's like I know everybody's like super big on crypto and whatnot. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything because it's like I'm able to make the same with stocks. I understand a little bit more the way they move. But crypto is like, it's fun on the weekends for me. Like I feel like it's like what is it? Crypto, it moves according to just people buying and selling. And, people buy and sell because of news, but it's like stocks, there is like, some of them pay out dividends. There is actual, like, things like revenue and sales and all that stuff that kind of contributes to its value. It's like, oh, I own this asset. You get to vote on certain things because you own certain amount of shares. You get to go to shareholder events if you want to. Sometimes if you own a certain amount of shares, you get benefits like, oh, you get first dibs at this, and it's like there can be perks to owning shares, but it's like when it comes to the value going up and the value going down of crypto, you can get that with stocks too, and there are plenty of stocks that move the same way. Here, let's see. You said, I don't remember if you said it, but do you day trade or just swing? I do both. I hadn't made that Palantir IWM connection. Hey, you're welcome. AMD is, like, I have nothing to say about AMD for a day trade. Like AMD, like I have that AMD can go lower. Like I have AMD 110, and then I have this being like my final region. It's like if I catch AMD below 102, anywhere in this range, I'm not throwing my life savings in there, but I'm throwing as much as I can in there, and I'm going in like expecting to make a return quickly. and hopefully dispersing that across to some other things. But also, if I'm going in to make a return like that, a return quickly, then I am watching for it to kind of, I don't know, like I'm getting time on it. All right, so it looks like we're trying to hold up. So Palantir, hey, we got the close above. We're kind of above on this candle, like with where it started. Hopefully, we can keep the momentum up. Let's see. Let's see if we can keep it kicking. I'm in crypto for the long haul. I get reward from ETH similar to dividends. I think Bitcoin and XRP will have the same. Hey, yeah, it's like, hey, whatever works for you. It's like I do mess with crypto here and there, but yeah, it's like I just mess with stocks so much more. But as I and many others like to say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Stocks are not broken for me yet. I hope they never break for me. But yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Dang, I'm hungry. All right, let's see. Low key, I'm by my office. I always have snacks in the office, or by the office at my like in my building. They might have snacks in there. I might have to. No, I'm not trying to hit y'all with the ASMR right now. I'm gonna hold off. It's wild. A lot of people walk around outside. I want to be out there touching grass. All right, so Spy is now catching resistance at this. This 592 level is appearing to be resistance now on the Spy. AMD. Let's see where AMD comes down to, because I don't know. I don't see a direct. Maybe wherever it comes down to kind of helps find the bottom end, and we can like really get this channel started. He said, "LOL, grab some XRP, bro. Just let it sit." It's like I had some XRP, and it's like I made money off of it, but it's like hold up. Where's XRP? Cause I just got an alert. I'm not sure if I like put it in wrong, but I definitely just got an alert on XRP. It was on the weekly. Oh, that's why. Yeah, because it's because of the way I put it in. I might need to set that off again on a different time frame. Let's set it on the 1 hour. There we go. Oh, it is what it is. Yeah, but XRP, it's like right now I don't have the money. Like I don't have as much like free cash to where it's like, oh yeah, I have enough to just let XRP kind of sit. It's like right now I realize that taking like the little 30-40% like runs they have and like taking profits on that, I realize that can further my position so much more. There's so many times that I rode stuff up and rode it right back down, and it's like I'm not trying to like day trade and be in and out of stuff like really fast, but it's like you said your XRP is up 34%. Hey, 34% is nice, but it's like with XRP, like when I was in on XRP, if we like zoom out a little bit, it's like you see I had set an order to buy right here at this level, I sold out. No, I didn't sell out all the way up there. I sold, so bought in 192, sold out like 246 or whatever. So took that, like it's like most of the time I take the profit like the next day. And it's like I did like hold on to the stuff that wasn't, I just pulled out my initial investment, but then it ran higher and I'm like, oh yeah, let me sell it. I think I sold out at like 254 or something. So it's like whenever I see opportunity, it's like, yo, let me make money kind of as it is. And if I see an opportunity for it to pull back again, let me take that money I made and throw it at the pullback level. It's like once the gaps are filled and everything and I don't see it pulling back, it's like, okay, Apple still, hey, yo, D-Red Terror, like after I exited a play, I try to let it go. Try to let it go. But yeah, that Apple would have been some solid money because that would have been. I know it was under $100. That should be um, at the least $300 for that contract now, at the least. But yeah, it's probably worth a lot more. Yesterday messed me up because I figured this would be the big reversal. We we might have a big reversal. We already got a big reversal to the upside, but I don't think we're done. I don't think we're done to the upside, but I don't think we're done to the downside. So we're kind of in like a weird, like a really weird place. All right, Derive suggesting the below trade charts look good. Maybe you double check. Call. Versace, what stock? Or maybe I can probably look. Let me look. Let me see if I find it. Oh, it might be over here. Wait, where did I close it? No, I got it over here. Let me refresh, see if it's on there. Nvidia, are you talking about Nvidia? Nah, that's not what a plug, okay. What was the rating on the trade? Here, I'll look at it. Let's check. Okay, Palantir going up. Okay, so strike price 250. It's a call February 15th. I mean, this looks like a pretty good level of support if it's a call. I mean, I feel like I would prefer to buy it from somewhere like here, so I feel like it could definitely pull back a little bit more, but honestly, even buying it right here is still probably good. Ideally, like ride it up to there. Let me actually hop in and look at the actual contract. Let's see, what is it? Plug. And then it is February 15th. Let's see. Or February 15th. You mean 14th? Okay. So the delta is 61. Honestly, that's a nice trade. Yeah, that's a good contract. Let me add it to the watch list so I can play with the. Yeah, so let's say it here. So I'm targeting this 320, but it could come up to 345 or higher. All right, so over here, 320. Oh, I didn't even move it up there yet. So that would be today. So if it takes till February 1st, you'll be up. It's really just depends on how fast it happens. Like percentage wise, it's a good gain though. Like percentage wise, if you enter from where it's at right now, simulated returns is going to be about a 50% return. If this is something, um, is it a position trade? Is it a swing trade? What does it say at the beginning? Like I don't know what time frame it's targeting. Like it got you some. I would imagine it's a position if it has the February 15th date. Yeah, Apple could fall to 230. It could. Philip learning is earning. You lost some money, but 100% skills with the knowledge. Did you hop in on any trades today? I bought kind of like a little straddle or on Palantir. So I would like to see Palantir move up more, but it's when I'm swinging. I'm swinging it till tomorrow, so we'll see. Let's see. I trimmed a little profit from Serve. I think. Wait, I think about adding into Bitcoin POS to lock in profits. Trump adding XRP and Solana to reserve. Hey, that's what's up. Let's take another look at XRP. Okay. How do you feel about yield max stocks for dividends? It's not anything that I mess with. I honestly don't have really an opinion about it just because, I don't really mess with them. Let's see. Yeah, I just don't have an opinion about them. It's like when it comes down to like high dividend stocks, I would just argue that you could, like, if you're looking to live off it or if you're looking to grow your wealth, I would say if you're older, it's like maybe, but there's also more risk to it as well. But it's like I would argue that you could get better returns with a little more knowledge of technical analysis, because it's like most of the time they're doing like things that are fairly simple to actually execute, and they're giving you a little profit from that. But it's like I feel like money could be used in a better areas. It's like, of course, but I also understand that, like, of course, with I didn't acquire the knowledge that I have overnight now, and maybe you finding your way to that knowledge or information might take you more time. Like me personally, I like to, like, if I'm like making positions on anything, I personally, like, if I want to set orders, if I want to buy anything, or if I'm looking to make money, I zoom out to the weekly chart. Like this is for like stock positions. Like say I'm looking at something like Fubo or something, like, so say we look at Fubo, I go out to the weekly. Oh, look, there is a gap right here. This gap is going to get filled at some point. So I have orders in for this 150 level right here, or this 153 level, filling the gap. And it's like, this is going to get filled at some point in time. It's like, you don't know how, because you get like this big jump up to 646. But we're going to come in and we're going to close this gap. And it can take off and go crazy after that. But we're going to come in, we're going to fill this gap. So it's like, what I do, I come in, I set a limit order, and make sure you can do it in the after hour. Make sure it's good for the after hours, and make sure it's good till canceled. So good till canceled will give you like 90 days of that order until you may need to do it again. And that's kind of how I like buy long positions. And like usually once you come back to that closure zone, you'll see some kind of like larger move. So say if it even makes part of the move, buy at 152. Oh, we come back over here to this old high. Dang, you're already up probably like 25%. Oh, you come close this gap to the upside? Oh, wow, you're up 100%. You can sell out half your position. So that's kind of more how I look at things now. And it's like really simple. It's just more patience, but the returns are usually better. XRP, XLM, SOL, Doge, for me, just dabbled with 250 for each. See what happens. Hey, yeah, when you got it, hey, see what happens. I need to get some more of that stuff so I can see what happens. It's today, Thursday? Oh shoot, I got one more day with you guys this week. Stocks aren't doing too much right now. I feel like after 11 I'll probably go crazy. I added 100 in the Bitcoin. I'm thinking it's an opportune to buy for, yeah, RGTI. I'll say that's down by a good level. I'm still like waiting. All quantum just fell. I'm waiting on it to fall some more. So like looking at quantum here, let's do my little here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. IonQ. I'm interested here. Let's actually go to a weekly. This is something it may take longer to get there. IonQ, strong by 1813. That's Delta, Roku, eBay, GitLab. Oh, I'm not even in that anymore. Let me get rid of that. Not in that anymore. Just close that out. I'll leave that on there because I might get back in there. I don't know. Rivian. Rivian's a little different. Oh wait, hold up. So yeah, actually Rivian, we'll throw Rivian at 1075. 80, welcome back. Dang. 80 probably turned around and said, "What the dog doing?" And it was probably did not like what the dog was doing. Dang. Get it out. Good morning. Finally get to catch you this morning. Hey. Okay, I see LW. What does LW stand for? Feel like I know you, but I'm not sure. Still in Fubo contract until tomorrow. Hopefully it can move back up before the big drop. I'm going to say I'm doubtful. I was over here thinking hopefully it can drop before the big move up, but hey, it's usually the more time you give yourself for a contract, the more time you give yourself to be right. Usually you're more right looking at the upside if you give yourself more time. Downside, giving yourself more time, usually the more time that passes, the lower the likelihood. Broadcom has a gap to fill. I think I have them on my list. We should work our way up there. Let me see. KULR. So 133, and then like there's like a mega one down to 446.08, but yeah, imagine picking this up in November. My goodness. All right, let's see. Oh, Lloyd, okay, I got you. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was like, I feel like I know you, but like initials. Wow. Oh, so once you see a gap up on the weekly, you not necessarily. No, I don't. buy put. This is for me picking up shares. I'm not gonna buy puts just because I see like a gap up, because you can see a gap up and it can go like, especially on the weekly chart, it can go a lot more. Like, let me just like look at Tesla for instance. A lot of people told me I was crazy, but think no, I was like right here. I said in 2 weeks Tesla, or maybe it could have been over here. I think it was like right here. I made a like YouTube reel or whatever, and I said Tesla, like it was like called Tesla to like, here I can probably pull it up. Let me look at my reels or whatever. Show y'all real quick. See how do I go to my channel real quick, or shorts, my bad. Did I make that many shorts? Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's see.
Tesla's. But here recently, mortgage rates.
All right, so it was called. Oh, hold up. How do I shrink this down? So you see here, it says, yo, Tesla to 300 soon. Yo, peep the comments. Homie said, man. I said, comment on this in a couple weeks. I want to see how it ages. Oh yeah, we got the boy Skittles on there. It was like not even 2 weeks to the day. It was like 13 days later, Tesla was over. That's all I gotta say. Wasn't even a full 2 weeks. All right, let's see. So Broadcom has a gap to fill. Let's look at Broadcom real quick. Yeah, I got a pretty big one. I think it's gonna take something big. Like, so a lot of these, I think this is gonna have to be like an earnings failure. So next earnings for Broadcom is in like February. A lot of times when you see stuff on a weekly, it can take. Hold on, I see I made some money. I don't see where, but I see I made some money. But I guess I'll get to it in a moment. But a lot of times Broadcom, like stuff like this, I feel like it would have to be something really, really big. We got this, but there's a gap to like 166, and that's pretty big. So I feel like this would be an earnings move, or like just like something huge. All right. Okay. I appreciate that, Trippy P. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right, let's. The put should have came when Fubo went under 5. It helped. Honestly. Did I miss any calls or puts? I haven't done anything new. No, yeah. All I've done was taking those Palantirs and took Palantir, and we took profit on that Apple. And now I'm starting to think, oh dang, we took profit too early. But yo, see profit, take profit. It's like right now I'm at the point where I have more going than I should. So it's like maybe if I were more focused on my positions, it would have been okay to hold that, but I needed to take profit anyway. Yes, bro. I was like, why does it smell like oh my goodness. Watching DraftKings. It's been a while. Yeah, even on the weekly, the DraftKings is very choppy on the weekly. Honestly, I don't love the way it moves at the moment. Like it might be nah, I don't love the price action for this. I used to like DraftKings more, but I don't personally like the way it moves that much. But I know Lucky J, I know you know what's up. So, hey, feel free to share what you're thinking with DraftKings. Yeah, I've been in before Disney spoke them up. Oh yeah, I was in on Fubo. I had like a 156 average. Seen that YouTube Tesla short. Yeah, I see you see it. Check out the next support for Tesla. If you're looking for the next major support, I have that being like 270 something. So like whenever, like the same way I told you, yo, Tesla will probably no wait, no, that wasn't on a 4 hour. I think it was on the weekly. So the same way I told you about this over here going like this. If you look at this trend line, you got Tesla over here. So the next time that we could expect that if we just kind of look, if Tesla fell the most it could today or this week, that would be around 260. If Tesla wanted to consolidate to this level, it could consolidate, like assuming it's still holding the trend, it could consolidate all the way to like the end of the year, like in November pretty much. But you see we have a gap to be filled like down here at 273.37, which would lead me to believe actually like sometime by early March. Sometimes it'll break the line a little bit, so maybe it happens after, but some point by early March we should get like a retracement to this level. That's kind of what I would look at. Lucky J, appreciate that. It's not even letting me react to it, but hey, big time appreciate that. Watching Redfin. Let's see what's up with Redfin. Okay, hey, look, hey, Palantir's waking up. Okay, we got the Spy. Spy came back up. So that ended up Tesla's being. Oh, we're looking at Tesla twice. Hold up, I didn't even realize that. All right. Look at Redfin too. Dang, Redfin came down like a lot. Oh my goodness, they used to be a lot more. Okay, hit the like button. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button. It's my birthday. Please, market makers, give me some. Hey, happy birthday, Chase. Yeah, let's hey, what are you in? Are you in on anything, Chase? SoFi going back up. Let me take a look at SoFi. Yeah, we got an hour left on SoFi. That's like if it holds up, yo, SoFi might be this might be the truth. It's looking like SoFi wants to likely go back for that 17 area. You know, watch the 1670 first, but it's looking like it would want to. Did you say? Yeah, that's what I said. Versace. Yeah, you said Fubo is expected. I would say, when I say expected, I would say that's not a wide expectation. That's me looking at the charts. So it's like I don't think that's something people expect, but that's something I think is going to happen. Because there's a lot of stuff that's like, oh yeah, there's no way I see that happening, and then looking at the charts, it's like, oh, it ends up playing out just like that. So, all right, man, everything I'm touching today going the opposite. I mean, I know you had the spy call. It's kind of like it's just it took a little longer. Oh wait, hold up. Let me re-look at the spy real quick. Oh wait, hold on, wrong chart. So one thing about the spy, we had a first low over here. I think that was part of what I was looking at. I forgot about that. But yeah, we had a first low. This was swept on the 1 hour. And I guess the target, like the top target would be about 994 or something like that. But dang, we're going though. Hold up. Hey, that Palantir is almost in the money. Let's see how the Palantir is going real quick. See. Okay. Yeah, the call is up 136%. I can't do anything with either. Actually, I might be able to take profit on it. I think I do have day trades now, but I'm gonna leave it alone. At least my XRP is up. Hey, yeah, that's why having like positions makes you feel good. Like even when I lose on a trade, it's like, yo, I have all these positions, and it's like something's always doing well. Lucid got me on the edge of my seat, 150 contracts. Oh, here, let me go check Instagram real quick. Oh, who's this? Okay. All right, let's see. The fruit? Bro. There's something that rubs me the wrong way when people like just ask for money from people they don't know online. Like is or like directly like people commenting on my videos. Like first off, yo, you're on a video about how to trade. Learn the skill. You got it. Hey, like do what you got to do. But it's like first off, if you're like it's the video where I lost like I want to say like $250. It's like, oh yeah, let me watch this man lose $250 and then ask him for money. Like I don't understand. But here, let's see. They want to squeeze me out. Here, let's Lucid. Wait, I don't think when I was just on Instagram, I don't think I saw anything from you. Nah, yeah, I don't see anything. I got distracted. You mean it decided to blow up after oh. Yeah, that's that's why I was saying the importance of like giving yourself time to be right. But yeah, it's trust your charting, give yourself time to be right. Derive sent this to my email. Microsoft. Oh, we took a look at that. I personally wasn't a big fan. Yeah, or it wasn't anything that I was going to take. I think when we looked at Microsoft, I said I would like to see it pull back a little more. Like there might. Oh no. I think it was the chart for Microsoft I just didn't like. So that's not a trade I would have taken. It's like the trade very well could play off. I just didn't. It's not a trade I would like personally, so I wouldn't take that one after charting it. Let's see. All 5 of my contracts have me on edge. I took profits on them and choose to be a little greedy. Chose to be. I mean, if you took profit, that's good. Palantir, yeah, Palantir's in the money. So if you got that contract is up well over. It was up well over 100%. That's all. Yeah, it's up 134 right now. It was like 160. But yeah, hey, don't be greedy. But I'm holding it until tomorrow. Man, you already get free money. I mean, yeah, honestly, if you look for it, like if you didn't watch, there's like legit the video. If you have a Coinbase account and you haven't watched that video on like how to get free crypto, if you have a Coinbase account and you're not doing what I showed you in that video, you can legit probably go get like a quick easy $20 right now, like while watching the stream in crypto. Like you don't have to put any money in anything like that. You just need a Coinbase account. So I'm gonna actually drop the link to that because I don't know, it's like, yo, if you're not getting free money, Like if you're not taking advantage of that, I don't know what you're doing. Like I don't even get any benefit from it. Or at least not if you already have a Coinbase account. But if you sign up, like if you sign up for Coinbase using my link, that's different. But yo, if you haven't, yeah. Oh, appreciate that, Skittles. Why is it not letting me like react to y'all's chats? Appreciate that though. Oh wait, hold up. I will send it to you. Give me a minute. Is it time to pick a call on? I mean, we can see. Yeah, we can take a look. Oh, look at SoFi going. Look at SoFi. Is it time to pick a call on Apple? So Apple is in a demand zone. This might be a higher time frame demand zone. So here, let's see. All right, so one thing with Apple, it's in a downtrend, right? We got our first high over here. Oh, I think that's why part of why I was targeting the put. So this was and that's why part of why I stayed in so long. But yeah, my target would have been this 233 level. But looking at it here, I'm not here. I think this might be a weekly kind of demand zone. Yeah, this is a weekly demand zone. So it's like you can target a call on Apple here, but really honestly, I wouldn't like if I were doing it on a lower time frame, it wouldn't be anything below 220. Like I wouldn't do it anywhere above this. And then also, if you're doing it on a weekly chart, you gotta understand like trades on the weekly chart, yo, those can take months to play out on. So it's like if you're buying a call here, Apple can move down considerably more. Like it can move down an extra like what's that? Oh, like $13 and still be okay. Like on this weekly chart. And then if you're buying a call based off the weekly chart, understand that this could be something that takes months. It could take like half a year to play out. So if you're looking for a day trade, if you're looking for quick money, probably not yet. Depending on what your targets are. I made the same call on Palantir and got scared and sold. Now I'm cringing at what I would have made. I just stayed patient. Hey, it's something the market teaches us over and over and over again until we learn it. So let's see. Waiting for Palantir to hit 85, trying not to be greedy. Did it not already hit that? Let's see. I feel like it should have. Oh, like 85 profit. I was about to say. I was like, yeah, that should be well above that. That's cool. On Microsoft, I saw my, hey, good stuff. Nunez, good morning, good morning. Simon, let's go. Man, you just got, appreciate that, 80. I hope, like, I was gonna say I hope I like hold on to that heart, but I feel like yeah, it's like I want to stay true to my roots and like where I came from, and it's like I also want to like stay grounded. Like it's like never want to forget where I came from as I continue to improve my situation, which is kind of like a little bit something I struggle with because it's like I want to give everyone time, but now it's also to the point where like I need to protect my time because my values is like, hey, I want to be able to be here for my family and be here to like take care of my family and be able to do that too. But I also want to be able to connect with people when I meet you and stuff too. So it's like I don't ever want to be like, yo, I don't have time for you, but it's also like sometimes it's like I am doing something important and I need to, I don't know. Like there comes a point when it's like, yo, a little overwhelmed dealing with people. Did you get anything for signing me up? I think I got one referral. I think I got $20. So yeah, I think that might have been you. Divine said, "Where's the video?" If you look at a few comments above that link I sent, that's it. Coinbase app has no of it. Dang. That's interesting. I would continue to check it out periodically because it's like, hey, I got my camera on now, so I can show y'all. Let's see. And we use Brennan's Brennan. He's like he's one of the property managers over here, but I use his account to make that video. But on mine, it's like I'm not sure if you can see, but if you click on this little icon on the bottom right, and then scroll down to the bottom, now I still have like rewards I can earn. It's just I gotta do the extra stuff where you gotta actually download the other apps and stuff. Yeah, let's see. SPY running up. Let's look at SPY on a weekly or hourly. Wait, so SPY. SPY could retest this. I would say SPY could retest. I mean, it could retest the high. Could come back to like 594. It could make moves up, and then it could come down. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but it is what it is. I got cooked. I'll have to check that. A lot of YouTubers charge their viewers a lot of money to teach them the same technicals you do. I don't see anyone else on here actually trying things out live and teaching actual value to add things like you. Appreciate that, Philip. I'm not even gonna lie. I will like probably put a course up online, but I'm gonna still keep this stuff free. Not for the course, but like everything I do on my channel. It's like some people, like everything, I have like all the information free, but like some people just want something to pay for. And I guess they want it structured. I understand wanting the structure so you don't have to go around and look for everything. But yeah, some people want to pay for it, so I'm like, yo, may as well. One of the realest traders I know, and I appreciate you. And hey, appreciate that, Philip. Not my best day. Bought 9 shares of RGTI for $9.98. Do you think the levels were viable? Wait, like for a total of 98? Where's Rajetti? Wait, 9 shares. Do you? Oh, hold on, that's the wrong chart. Where's RGTI Rajetti? All right, so one thing I'll say is on Rajetti, I see like in this area right here, we got kind of like a first high on the 4-hour. So I would argue from here, there's probably going to be another drop. So this might actually be an okay area to take a short. I don't know, but there's always going to be stuff going on in different directions. So there's no like 100%, but I think it's an okay, like if you're long on the position, I think it's fine, but I do think it's going to come lower. Overslept, couldn't trade today. Oh yeah. That's something that happens. Leaving one runner for balance. Hey, good stuff. I'm glad to hear it, Simon. Derive AI. Okay. QQQ. Okay, it's a position. Appreciate that. Risk, moderate. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. I like this. I like this. Like this Master DRC. So one thing on the Qs I see right now, we are at like I like that trade. It's a 30-day. Okay, it's a put. Honestly, yo, I'd be cool to grab a put to swing now. Here. I'm gonna see what's the best thing I can get for. No, because honestly, right here, ooh, I don't even think we need much time. Here, I'm gonna target like Trump's the day that Trump the inauguration's on the 19th. No, it's on the what's it, the 20th? Wait, hold up. I'm gonna need to look at the calendar real quick. Let's see. So 17th. So he gets inaugurated on Monday. Ooh. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to wait, is the market closed on Monday? Is that like President's Day or something? Inauguration Day. Okay, there we go. Oh, Martin Luther King Day. So I might have to buy contracts for the 21st just because I don't want to buy contracts that expire tomorrow because they could wait. Or maybe I get risky with it. What's tomorrow? Go to puts. Let's see. Yeah, we're up here. We got a 512 is over here. That's a position trade. Hold up. Okay, let's go back to those contracts. Okay, so we actually here. Let's actually go in and like do an optimization from that because I feel like they could probably select some more optimal contracts than I could. So let's see. Wait, okay, here we are. This is aggressive. This is a swing. Okay. Expiration would be the 20. Okay, that helps. Okay, that's what I was looking for. All right, so 508. Yeah, I'll go for that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for that. I got a 508 put on the Qs that expired on the 21st. I paid 92. And honestly, this doesn't fully matter. But yeah. Well, let me alert the family. All right, let's go to the Discord. Okay. Everyone just grabbed a Q put expiring. Oh wait, hold up. What is it? 1/21 paid 92. And let me send a little screenshot of what's it? The QQQ chart looks like real quick. So they can see it's at a trend line. Let's say QQQ looks is at trend line resistance. Oh, not resistance. There we go. Cool. All right. Let's see. Appreciate that, Mass 3DRC. What's the target for Palantir and how did you find it? So I bought a call and a put on Palantir. It looked like it was going to move one way, and I figured, oh, with tomorrow's expiration, it's going to pace in one direction. If I were to set targets for Palantir, I mean, first place I would kind of look for might be like 250. This is based off the 4 hour, so we'll see if we get to continue move next. Probably be about maybe like 74. Honestly, we'll just see. It's kind of like a lackadaisical kind of approach, but we'll see. Let's see. Hold up. Dang. When your course drops, first customer. Oh, appreciate that ID. Don't have to do that though. Hey, just appreciate you stopping through. Any advice on QUBT long term? I mean, hey, dollar cost averaging, if you're truly bullish on something, never wrong. I kind of like traded though. I'm not sure if you know, I like sold out of mine this morning. So QUBT, for me right now, where is it? Where'd it go? I don't know what this is right here, but wait, this is a 4 hour chart. So it's possible we could see something that no, actually, no, we're still in a downtrend, I believe. So major pickup levels for me. So we already kind of came to this level and we kind of bought up. So this was my first kind of area. Next would kind of, I'm looking at gap fills. The next gap fill that needs to occur is like 470. But honestly, for QUBT, I don't really see myself like buying anything too crazy until like 150. But Ion Q is one I watch a little closer. Like, so if I see Ion Q around like 1823, that's something. Oh, yo, hey, we got Josiah in here. Just want to say, he said, hey, fam, please make sure to do your DD on screener alerts. Hey, and y'all saw, we looked, we checked, we saw the little trend line there. I had already had it charted. And I was like, oh yeah, this lines up perfectly. So, hey, we did ours, or I did mine. Think quantum stocks are dead cat bounce. Yeah, I would say that. I'm definitely glad they're on my radar now, though. I definitely like them long term for sure. We think about SoFi. I mean, SoFi is going. It's like I don't love the idea of getting in right now, but hey, I like SoFi. Here, let's go to a 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour, it looks like SoFi, give it 30 minutes, but if it closes up here, SoFi looks like really bullish. So honestly, it looks like it could, like it may kind of try to make its way up here if you give it enough time. How much time is enough time? I don't know, but it looks like it's heading for that if this candle ends up closing looking anything the way it does right now. I want to get better. It swings harder than, but wait, I want to get better at swings harder than, but it seems way harder trading in day for me. This week I will be studying a lot. I feel that. It's like it's crazy. It's like I have like seasons or like periods where it's like, yo, I'm hot on the swing trades. Oh, I'm hot on the day trades. And it's really weird for me, honestly, like having to go between all of them. But yeah, I definitely have the seasons. Both. Okay. Yeah, that is what happened. Thank you for the calendar. MOK effect. What did you place? I grabbed like what was it? A 508 put on the Qs that expire the 21st. Buying a TeraWolf call for the 24th for sure. Oh, because of Trump. I can change my expiration date for tomorrow. Oh, what were we talking about? What, that's a statement, but I feel like it's a question. I don't know. If you were trying to change your expiration date, though, I would look up rolling an option. Yo, Apple is dropping again. Yeah, so, hey, yeah, unfortunately, I'm out of it. But, I mean, first place we look at, see how it kind of performs at this low. And then beyond that, this whole thing is a weekly demand. So at this 220 or this lower upper 219, I would say that's a strong buy, but right now it's kind of like, yo, it could still go down. And honestly, if you look at it, like if we look at this trend line I drew on the weekly, okay, that's a steep trend line. I'm not gonna lie. That is a steep trend line. Let's look at it on the daily. Okay, that doesn't even make sense to me. I'm gonna leave that alone. Forget what I said about the trend line. We'll just consider this breakout over here a fake out. That's all I would say. Like we're still kind of respecting this trend line. This was just a fake out over here. This is something that happens with trend lines. Do you think Nvidia will keep falling? Let's see. Let's see what Nvidia is doing right now. All right, so it closed its gap. If it wants to keep falling based off the 4 hour, well, actually right now we're still like, so Nvidia just set its range, right? So its range would be this right here now. And now Nvidia is urging me to be patient. It's urging, like based off the 4 hour, it's urging me to be patient. Like I can't make any conclusions from this. I don't really like the 1 hour chart either. So yeah, as of right now, I don't really have anything I can really say about it. Or at least not the way I trade. Palantir, $45. Is it like is that your profit? Now it's going up again. Hey, you know, Apple it might just bounce around now. It's already had some, whatever. SoFi has some bullish ratings. Hey, honestly love to hear it. I'm very interested to see how earnings goes for everyone. XRP update for tomorrow. Let's see. XRP is so it's made new all-time highs now. Looking at XRP, I would think, like if you look at it, so we're above all-time highs. Last time, we had some liquidity here. This could be, I don't know, this could be I'm not sure if it's a sweep of liquidity, but there will likely be some sellers. And I think, I can't say what's going to happen tomorrow, but we will come back down, close this gap. So if I were setting a buy order for XRP, I would set it for 261. I would have it good till canceled. And then I would just kind of chill around, see what happened. Let it do its thing, because it's in the long run we expect it to go up, right? So yeah, scoops on here on the gap fill, let it run up and do its thing. That's the next good buy to me. I'm up 28,000. Oh, nice little 28x on Home Depot. Good stuff. Hey, 15 more likes. Hey, we got 11 more likes now. Hey, good stuff. Hey, so to those of you that are unaware, just below the video, if you scroll down, take a little look, there's an icon. To those of you that can't see the video, look at the video. You see this right here? This is my thumb. There's an icon. Might be colored a little differently, may have like a little less texture, but it looks like this right here, okay? There's another one that looks like this. I would say stay away from that one. But the one that looks like this, yo, take that. You really take your little cursor, your little icon, you hover over it. I don't know if you're on a laptop, if you're on a laptop like me, just tap it, and it'll change the color and it'll change things in your life. You might bring joy to someone's day. You might increase a number someone is looking at. That is referred to as smashing the like button. And it is very well appreciated around these parts. So if you want to do that, you can do that. If you don't want to do that, it is what it is. But here, let's see. Just wanted to let y'all know that is something that you can do, and is very well encouraged around these parts. I took a horrible trade and lost yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking. I went against the trend on the SPY. As a new trader, still learning not to let losses bring me down. Yeah, sometimes when you take a loss, you just have to just sit and you need to step away, and sometimes you need to take a day or two. Just need to take some time to reframe things, honestly. Let things kind of refocus and recenter, because it's there's a lot to learn from a loss, but also sometimes losses can be that feeling can be kind of contagious. You start thinking about the loss and you start trading to not, I don't know exactly what I'm saying, but it's sometimes that feeling it carries over into the other trades, and that's not what you want. All right, let's see. Hit the like, people. Hey, not a bad idea. I mess with today's stream. It's long. Yeah, oh yeah. I did start it a little bit early. I did. I forgot about that. SoFi. Yeah, let's take another look at SoFi. Where's SoFi? Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, SoFi going crazy. Okay. I'm here for it. I got some SoFi shares. I'm here for it. Yeah, I'll say over the next week or so, I would not be surprised if SoFi was at 1735. May have some pullbacks on the way, but I would not be surprised. Let's see. Let's see. SoFi spike. Do you have a tutorial on how to roll it? Actually, I don't think I do. I feel like I may have. I'm not 100% sure. Let me check. How to roll an option? No, I feel like I do, but I think I need a video that's just how to roll an option. So let me see if I have any options contracts I can roll. I might be able to do one today. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that QQQ put's doing all right. It's up 25%. But do I have any options I can roll? I got yeah, I have options I can roll. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm in play to do that. I have some things I need to take care of, but let's see. You can't learn from what you don't understand. Make sure you learn and understand 100%. I got people who don't know technical analysis that say they want to learn options. Yo, and I'm not going to be real. I learned options before I learned technical analysis too. Actually, I kind of knew support and resistance first, so I had that. But like technical analysis, I learned options before. Don't be like me. And if you're gonna be like me, be the good in me, not the bad in me, or the bad that was in me. So, I mean, there's still bad in me, but I think overall I'm pretty good. Early streams are good, TBH. May have to start doing this. I think I kind of liked how today went a little bit. Like what is it? Like I usually do the watch list videos, and then I feel like by the time the watch list video comes out, it's like things are different. So I feel like the live streams may be more helpful, and it's like maybe getting on a little bit earlier for the live streams might be better. I feel like I spend a lot more time than I need to putting out those videos, so maybe just go live and do it that way instead. I feel like more people see the live if I get on early too. How do you think Tesla will do next week? Yo, a lot of things can happen. So it's like, Elon Musk has the relationship with Trump, but it can be all over the place, honestly. It can go anywhere. I think some important things to look out for. If you see Tesla above 430, big things, it's probably gonna rocket. Below, I don't know. There's a lot of areas that can come below. I would say right now a big one is going to be like if it comes below 380. But first to the downside, watch like a big one to the downside right now. I would say maybe like 400. Then the next big level on Tesla is going to be 380. If it comes below that, it's probably coming down a lot harder. But honestly, right now I'm in the back seat on Tesla, and I'm just here for the ride. I appreciate that, Pierre. Great idea about live streams. Do you do a night? But no, because I find first off, one thing, first off, part of the reason I'm not having like another mentorship group at the moment is like just me operating in the evenings. I feel like I am like all my cylinders are gone. I don't have cylinders to fire on because I'm like a morning person. I like to attack the day. But yeah, the kind of like evening kind of analysis, I'll kind of like check stocks and I'll be like, oh yeah, what's going on right now? And then, it's like I wake up and it's like, it's a completely different scene. So it's like, I don't know if y'all watch any other like YouTubers, like there are YouTubers like Keenan Grace and Chris Sane and like Stock Mo, and like there are all these YouTubers. There's a Zip Trader. He doesn't really do like the daily level kind of stuff, but there's Ricky Gutierrez. Like all these people, they'll do something like at night for the next day, and then by the time that you see it, like maybe you watch it before the market opens because it wants to be fresh. It's like, oh dang, all these levels have already been hit. So I don't think that's going to compare to like doing it like in the morning. So yeah, 100%. So you'll recommend Chris Sane? Yeah. Chris Sane says some good stuff, but like also it's like for some things, I like out of all the people that I just said, I think I like Keenan the most. I feel like he's the most helpful. I feel like he was actually a teacher, so he's good at teaching things. He has good analogies, but Chris is cool too. All right, but yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. I'm about to like try to get some food. I think I might have a meeting today. I need to like check. Well, I have a meeting today, but I think I might have another meeting. I need to like follow up and see if that's gonna happen. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Peace out, Lucky Day or Lucky J. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. I'd love to see y'all back tomorrow. Um, yeah, I hope all y'all's trades kind of work out the way that y'all want them to. Here, let's see. Let me real quick. Let me throw myself. Hold up 1 second. Gotta come in and do some. BBAIs. Yeah, peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Mr. Jones. Peace out, some Asian guy. Oh, I didn't even see you today. Skittles, peace out. Hey, good night, Skittles. Hey, wait, hold on. One quick last check on the QQQ. Where's it at? Oh yeah, that QQQ is paying. That QQQ is paying. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. See, we hit it. Hey, whoa. Yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace. All right, let's get it.